What's good, you guys? Welcome to this weekly outlook video. In this video, I'll be discussing the next possible moves in gold, Euro USD, DXY, of course, GBP USD, US oil, US odd USD, and USD CAD. So, if you have any other suggestions, please comment down below and let me know. I'll post a weekly outlook video on them as well. So, yeah, let's begin. All right. So starting with gold, what I see is, so I expected Jan 4 to be the reversal point, right? And post Jan 4, we saw a very furious downfall. However, it was again followed by even more aggressive push on the upside. Now, what I'm concerned about is this particular supply over here. This particular supply over here is the last point where I would be interested to still look for short opportunities. So any break above 1878, or let's say 1880 for a safer side, I think the rally will continue for about 1940, 1950 odd levels, somewhere around this 1940 approximately. So until that level is being tested, I think it will make a lot of sense to look for short opportunities right from this point. Okay, and what I need is some basic price action, a simple 15-minute break of market structure, return to order block, and I think this would be the first target, easy target to meet. Post this, we can expect some pullback, maybe break of structure on the downside and continuation. And this view, I think, which I posted earlier, of an untested demand area over here at 1760, I feel this is still intact. I feel if markets are going to reverse from this point, it is highly likely that we will touch this particular level if we are reversing on a daily time frame. Right now on a weekly time frame as well, we have had a very comfortable break of market structure, and price is now all set to pull back down, is what I obviously feel. And if I were to pull the fibs, even they suggest that a good reversal point has been met. So let's see how this particular plan goes. So right now, what I would want is either to break on the upside or to start distributing liquidity over here, which resulting into a breakdown below. So these are the only two possible things which I'm looking at on gold. Next we have, let's see DXY first. If I go on a weekly time frame, right now we have this untested demand area over here. If I go on a daily, we can probably refine it further. Yeah, I think it's good. So this demand has not been tested yet, and I think we will have to wait for prices. We can expect a reversal in DXY if at all we get a tap over here, and then a continuation maybe to 109 or possibly 107 odd levels. Right, it all depends on the market scenario. And let's see, next we have Euro USD. Let's start from weekly. So yeah, on a weekly time frame, Euro USD has given a good pullback and reversed back up, right? However, we are protecting the previous supply from this particular point. So this was our supply number one, which we had a good reaction from over here, right? And after this, we have been reacting ever since. Currently, we are again at a supply area. So I think this also leaves us with one more possibility, that markets can might reverse from here, or maybe do something like this and go to the next weekly demand area, which is, I think, somewhere around here, if I'm not wrong. Let me just, yeah, I think this is the next demand which can possibly, it can possibly mitigate. If not that, then I would want a reversal from this point. So either of these two conditions, they are possible on euro USD. Then let's talk about pound dollar. So, okay, pound dollar is looking pretty much weak compared to all other pairs that we just saw, because on a daily time frame we have had a very clean break of structure on the downside, that too after stop hunting all the liquidity possible, right? So I think any pullback that comes in into the supply area, or possibly into this supply area, it can be sold back into the markets to the next possible demand area, which could be this. So it can be this supply or reaction from this supply down to this particular demand area. So these are the two possibilities which I'm looking at. So this still is a very futuristic view. Let's talk about what can we expect in this particular week. So over here, I think it would make a lot of sense for price to simply go back to the supply area, and possibly, if at all it gives you a break of market structure, and then I think we can possibly continue lower right into this demand area, or maybe even lower. So right now it's a very high probability we'll continue higher, maybe to this supply or to the further around this supply area. Yeah, currently I think this is an untested supply area over here. So we can expect some reactions from here. Next we have US oil. Let's start from a weekly time frame. Okay. We have tapped into a very, oh so sorry, this is odd USD. Okay. Okay, so US oil, it slightly looks weaker to me because this was a very good demand area, and even after tapping into this we have failed to given a break of structure. Instead we are compressing on a weekly time frame, which is really not a good sign. So if at all we break this particular level, this particular low of 62, we can most likely head down to somewhere around, uh, this is the first demand I see, 51, and then maybe directly to 40, 40 or 42. So this looks weak to me because there is no break of structure even after reacting to a demand area, even on a daily time frame. It's nothing that I see. So right now you can expect long positions until this point, from maybe this particular demand from 71 maybe to 78. You can expect this, but post this there's a very high probability will continue lower. Now we have odd USD. Let's go on a weekly time frame. So odd USD, very beautiful. It has reacted. See, look at this reaction from the demand area. The one I showed in US oil, uh, sorry. So the one I showed in US oil, even after reacting to the demand area, we did not have a very strong pullback. Here, this is what I call a very good pullback. Reacting very nicely to a demand area. So it's respecting this demand area pretty well, and you can expect further bullishness in the market to this supply area over here. So yeah, I think I wouldn't be surprised to see some reaction maybe here, but we are for sure going to we are for sure bullish on odd USD, at least until this particular supply area, which is an easy target in my opinion. Right now, if I see the structure had broken over here. We again broke structure on the bullish side over here. Post that, we have created good equal highs over here and a higher low to be followed over here, which should be again followed by a higher high. So I think it's a very high probability we'll break this particular level and continue higher. Can expect some reactions at 7 odd levels. Let's check what's up with USD CAD. Okay, interesting. So USD CAD, I think it looks fine to me. What you can expect is some more reaction. So right now we are at this particular demand area. On a smaller time frame, this is a good demand area, I suppose. If not, then I think, yeah, this is mitigated already. So yeah, I think this is a good demand area. Let's see if we can refine it. Yeah, I think so on USD CAD. I think unless and until 1.33 848 is protected, we can look for longs. One simple condition: let markets give you a stop hunt, break of market structure, return to order block. You can easily target this as your first level, and then possibly the next supply as your next target. Yeah, if you want me to analyze any other currency or any other pair for that matter, just comment down below. I'll try to post a video or maybe a short reel on that very soon. Thanks for watching, guys.